Hello, we're in Kotang village today and we've been here for like already 2 weeks. So today we visited our village Pipi. She only lives maybe 5 minutes away by walking, but she lives really close, so she often comes to this house to visit whenever, and then we also visit her sometimes. And a lot of times when she comes to visit, she likes to start singing and then we all start dancing, and today is the same thing. So you'll see that she's a really good singer. Every time we have to dance with her. Right now, Meg's Ama is cooking stinging nettle soup or gruel. So she just picked some stinging nettle, very sharp needles, very sharp needles. I've never seen needles this big and sharp. I also grow some stinging nettle at home, but this is on another level. She just picked some from right up in front of her house. She grows some, and it's a favorite dish in the village. So right now she's cooking. Wow, looks good. Now we're about to have some really good lunch Meg's mom made for us. This is a type of kind of like a corn rice. The road here is very bumpy. Basically for like 18 hours, the entire journey was bumpy. I've never been on a car ride like that, but it was like it was doable. I wasn't nauseous or anything. We were in a packed car of like 5 of us. So they aren't paved well, and there also isn't a lot of like safety measures. There's sometimes like on the edges of the road there's like maybe some stones that keep cars from railing off, but it's kind of a very adventurous trip here. So I'm really glad we made it safe here. The funny thing about our car trip here though is that my guide said he had never had such a hard journey. I believe on our trip here we had like 2 tire changes. The driver's seat's door wasn't working properly. It kept opening. Probably it opened like, I don't know, a dozen times before he decided to tie some rope around to secure the car. I don't know, we had like lots of problems, honestly, so it made the journey a lot more memorable. And actually, by the time we reached the town at about like 1 a.m. that night, we also stayed with someone from our car because there was nowhere to stay. No hotels were open. So they invited us to stay in their home and sleep the night, which I feel was like a very good introduction to, just how people treat each other here in the village. Every time I walk up, I feel tired. And then when I walk with village people, I feel so weak because every 5 minutes I'm really tired. And then sometimes Meg's little brother is always like running around everywhere and like watching us. So feel kind of embarrassed. But village people are really strong. Really, really strong. Also, every time I walk, I don't know why, but my nose gets runny. So then I can't breathe. Oh my God. This is not acting, by the way. This is real tired sounds and breathing. And I don't know why my nose always wants to be running. And then sometimes I'm like, where am I supposed to walk? If you want to come trekking in Nepal, this is what it's like, apparently. No one told me when I got here. Until I got here, I was like, what? This is what it's like the whole time? Yeah. So, do you want to be a mountain person? Ah! Okay.
I'm gonna feel everything.
I want to take a rest. Then, sometimes, sometimes, I'm so hot. I'm already hot.
Last move.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Give me this one.
The sound. Wait. Like, what kind of steps are these? I need to blow my nose. Stop, I need to blow my nose. So we're taking a rest now from my very tiring time hiking.
So as you see guys, here we have a shelter house. We call in Nepali it's called goat, but some people call shepherd house also. And here in our village we make this one as a temporary shelter. We have a land in different places, so according to the places, according to the season and time, we need to transfer our cows or animal in different places. At that time we made this kind of shelter to live temporary. So like here you can see we have a bed, normal bed, and we can sleep here. And everything we made, me and my father made this one, and she's also here at that time.
So we just woke up from a nap. Our friend and cameraman is still sleeping. And then We're also preparing some milk. We just boiled this milk so we can drink. And then after that, we're gonna go back home. We just all slept after hiking up here. So, yeah. But we're about to go back home. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Subscribe if you want to. See you!